Shush.
Oh guys, put some shoes on
Shush.
and some jersey on.
Just go away.
We're gonna be like
Stop talking.
Yeah.
Shush, stop talking, man. Get up. Go wait in the car. Bro, it's hectic in my house. To the whanau. No, what's it called? Yo, it's like, what's the time? It's 3:15 right now. The boys are petting their rakos. And we're going to Dunners soon. But, yo, I don't know, we're chilling. It's been a while since I've actually done anything. But, yo, we've been busy. We've been a bit busy. We're going over to Dunners today. Yeah, we're going to Dunners. Bunch of things are happening in the house. She's a bit blurry because it's only focus for me, but you know, other than that, yeah, no, we've got to drive out to Dunners. It's gonna be a freaking bit of a drive, but we got to go because we have to be at the marae. We have to be at the marae before 6 o'clock. Yeah, so we're off to Dunedin. We're going up for grading. Gonna do some rako. That's why the boys are putting in the rakos. And the only thing we can do is pretty much just wait out for the drive. But we got to leave now because probably be a bit late. Should be all good though. The boys are grading from Pourua to Poutoru. I'm grading from Poutahi to Pourua. Other than that, we gotta go now. So we're leaving. See yous when I do. So, yo, kaki de. It's future Hux. There's mum. Mum's chilling. Okay, so we're back from grading. Oh, I should have done this a long time ago, but I just couldn't be bothered doing anything, to be honest. But we're back from grading. I got my paurua. You can see us do our mahi, and so this video is a bit different to what I usually post. I think we're just gonna keep doing stuff like that. But anyway, look at this. These are our taiaha. Focus. These are our taiaha. So we got Kingi's taiaha. Heiwari. So this is Heiwari. This is Puheke o te awa ora. And then right here, we got old Hohaya. And then we got Erenora. Right here. They all got pauruas. So you know, paurua. So they're all paurua. Well, they all have the paurua tipare on. Before, you know, mine was only potahi. But now, look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely magnificent. So yeah, that was us. We did our grading. I'm slacking. Hux is slacking, but it's fine. Here's a photo of us with the 25k grant. Anyway, so that's cool. We did that after the grading, and I had my paurua, as you can see. Being busy, but not busy enough, to be honest. Let's just be completely honest. I'm just slack. I haven't been posting in a while. But yeah, so we got back from Dunners, got the paurua. Now we're learning our new mahi. I'm probably gonna post a lot more about that kind of stuff, like raku now, and just what I'm doing. So I'm gonna make my pautoru tipare, and I'm gonna show you for the next video there. Is there anything I need to talk about? Not really. This is the video here, just so you can have something. So boom bang, here's your video. Next video I do, I'm just gonna break down that 25k. It's going towards some things. I'm not gonna explain it now because that's for the next video. You see, I'll probably post a lot more about Hux doing Hux. You know what I mean. I don't think there's anything else. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Chur.